Hey, I'm Shreyesh. I'm a designer who lives in US. And today we're going to be talking about softwares you should know as a graphic designer. In my opinion, Photoshop should be the first thing you should learn as a graphic designer. And I know some beginners can't afford Photoshop, but there are many options out there. Like for example, I know there's like PicMonkey and there's new websites that do the exact thing as Photoshop where you can learn. Then also Adobe has like a 7-day free trial you can also use. So learn Photoshop. Okay, the second one is Illustrator. Why should you use Illustrator? Why not just use Photoshop for everything? If you're making logos or designs, Illustrator is your best friend. If you make logos and designs on Photoshop, in the future when you have to enlarge or make it smaller, your designs will look like why? Because Photoshop is pixel based and Illustrator is vector based. What is vector based? Pretty much, to simplify everything, with vectors you can make things big and small without any loss of quality. So if you're not using Illustrator, start using it. The third one has to be InDesign. So InDesign is basically a program where you can lay out your designs. So if you love making magazines or books, InDesign is the best software for you. Also, InDesign is really good for templates, and I don't see people using it or talking about it a lot. I used to do social media marketing. I used to use InDesign and make templates, then put my images on there 10 times faster than I would in Photoshop. And I could export everything at once. Yeah, InDesign is a must. Okay, the fourth one I would recommend would be After Effects. Hear me out. You're gonna be like, oh, After Effects, isn't that editing videos and stuff like that? No. If you have a logo and you want that logo to have more of a meaning, After Effects is your best friend. And with motion graphics on the rise right now, as a designer you should stay up to date with the new times or you're just going to be left behind. So trust me, it's not that hard. If you get the hang of it, you should learn it in a few weeks or even a few days. Just knowing these softwares will increase the likelihood of you getting a job. The very last software I would recommend, or let's say softwares I would recommend, would be XD and Dreamweaver. If you don't know what XD and Dreamweaver are, let's say it's like 2 steps. One, the first step would be XD, where you lay out and design how the website will look, or the app. And then Dreamweaver is where you actually code. Most people don't know graphic designers are not only graphic designers, they also do more things like web design, UX UI design. Personally, I don't believe I'm a graphic designer at this point. Here's a fun fact: if you're gonna put graphic designer on your resume, don't. Just put designer and something else, or just designer itself, because nowadays graphic designers are not only graphic designers, we wear a lot of hats. So personally, I'm just a designer. I can design websites, I can design apps, I can design anything for you. And my name is Shrestha. I believe this is farewell. See you next Friday at 12:30 on the dot. So, adios.